You know what's holding you back right now? It's not your circumstances. It's not bad luck. It's not the economy. It's not other people. It's fear. And the worst part? You've gotten so used to it that you don't even notice it anymore. It's running your life from the background, making your decisions, keeping you small, controlling everything you do. And today, that ends right here, right now. Fear isn't something you negotiate with. You don't manage it, you don't balance it, you kill it, you starve it. You remove its power over your life piece by piece until there's nothing left but pure action. Number 1, stop treating failure like death. You've built failure up into this massive, life-ending event, so you avoid it at all costs. You play it safe, you shrink, you hide. But failure isn't final. It's feedback, it's information, it's the teacher you've been avoiding. The only real failure is letting fear stop you from trying at all. You will fail. Accept that truth right now, and then go do it anyway. Because on the other side of that failure is the version of you that doesn't need fear anymore. Number 2, stop replaying worst-case scenarios. Your mind runs these movies where everything goes wrong. You embarrass yourself, you fail publicly, you lose everything, and you think that's protection, that's preparation. It's not. It's rehearsal. You're practicing failure in your mind over and over until it feels inevitable, until it feels real. When the fear scenario starts, cut it off immediately. Replace it with one simple question. What's the first step? Not the outcome, not the ending, just the step. That's all you need. Number 3, stop avoiding discomfort. Every time you choose comfort over growth, fear wins. Every time you stay silent when you should speak, skip the hard conversation, avoid the challenge, back down from what matters, you're feeding the thing that's killing your potential. Discomfort is not your enemy. It's the price of change. It's the cost of becoming who you're meant to be. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. That's where your real life starts. Number 4, stop seeking constant reassurance. You ask people if it's a good idea. You look for signs. You need validation before you move. But you already know what you need to do deep down. You're just hoping someone will make it feel safer, make it feel certain. No amount of reassurance will ever make fear go away. You kill fear by acting without it. Number 5, stop waiting to feel ready. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's doing it while you're terrified, while your hands are shaking. Every time you wait until you feel ready, you're training yourself to obey fear. The person you want to become doesn't wait for permission from their emotions, they move anyway. They act in spite of the fear. Fear dies in action, not in thinking, not in planning, in the doing. Every day you move despite the fear, you weaken its grip. This is your life, not fears. The person you're meant to be is waiting on the other side of the fear you refuse to kill.